Yes guys, back with another video. So this one today I'm going to show you how you can get thousands of leads from ChatGPT for free. And this is for any niche. So even if you work with coaches, if you work with med spas, dentists, it doesn't matter who you work with. I can show you in this video how you can get leads for any single niche. So if you have been looking for a fast, free and a ridiculously effective way to scrape thousands of leads for your business, this might be the most valuable video you watch all year. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use ChatGPT to scrape leads from any niche, complete with first names, emails, phone numbers, Instagram handles, and even more. These are the same type of leads that most scraping tools charge you monthly for, but this method won't even cost you a penny. So no paid tools, no Chrome extensions. I'm just going to give you smart search queries and ChatGPT. So I've got search queries and I've got ChatGPT prompts, and if you stick around to the end of this video, I'm actually going to give you an automation of an outreach strategy. So by the end of this video, you know how to find hyper-targeted leads in any niche or location, use AI to extract data at scale, and organize it and clean it. So here's the first search query. So let's say you work with dentists. Here it could be, I don't know, med spas or roofing companies here. So all we're going to do is put this into Safari, one second, here, and then here, look, we get loads of leads here. So what we're going to do here now is press Command A. It's supposed to be Command A. Yeah, Command A, and then Command C, and then we're actually going to go into ChatGPT, and I've also got a ChatGPT prompt here for you. So just copy this, and then this will then format the data in for a table. So we're going to ChatGPT, and we paste that in, and then come here, and then we paste this one in here. Then paste that in, and then I'll show you the result. Well, actually moving really quick. So yeah, we've got the company name, website, the phone number, and the email. Some of them it can't scrape some of the emails, but look how many leads it's giving us. Like, it's giving us loads of leads there, and then you can literally come over to here, and then get off this, and then go to the second one, and then to do the same again. So I'll give you another way of how you can scrape coaches now, because that's the way you can scrape like services like dentists and med spas and stuff like that. But for coaches, it's a little bit different. I'm actually going to scrape their Instagram. To scrape coaches' Instagrams now, we're going to just come here, and it's as easy as this: fitness coaches, coaches at Instagram, and then look, we've got again loads of leads there. So, and then we'll just do the exact same as we did for the dentist. Press Command A on here, Command A, and then Command C, and then paste it into here, and then obviously come up here, get the prompt, and then paste it in, and then it will do the work for you, and it will have, you know, it tabulated like this. If you do work with dentists and like stuff like that, you can also come into Yellow Pages, so you can actually target the location of where you want to target. So this is for literally roofing companies, auto repair, hotels, contractors, dentists, literally everything. And you'll just do the same here as well. Command A, Command C, plug in the prompt, easy. So now that stuff's over and done with, I'm actually going to give you a free automation now. So we're going to do this in make.com. And if you don't have a make.com account, then you can literally just create one for free. And I will show you the exact way. I'll log into my make account, and then I'll build you a lead list. I will go through building a lead list on Google Sheets, and how we can build an automation that can send emails out without even you having to do anything. Okay, so we've got our lead list here. I'm not too sure why it's so small, but all I literally did was copy and paste this here into a Google Docs. and there we have it. I don't know why it's gone like that, but yeah, literally just copy and paste it into there, and then we have it's all just formatted for you. So now into my Make account, I'm going to build out the automation. And if you haven't used Make, it's literally no code automation. It's really easy to use. So after you're logged into your account, go to scenarios. Then we're going to press this plus icon here, and we're going to go to Google Sheets. And it should be for search rows. Then you'll click your drive. So you'll connect your drive here of where your lead list is in. And then you'd go to, yeah, well, this is mine. You obviously go to your spreadsheet ID, but obviously mine is YouTube example for dentist. A good sheet name, it's pretty easy, and then you can keep everything the same. And then you come here and go to Gmail, and it should be send an email, and the subject will be, never mind. Go to 2, and then you'll see you'll be able to map fields here. So obviously you can add recipient here, but yeah, you want to go to 2, and then in this box here where it says email address 1, you want to go to the subheading where it says email, and then this will search the rows where the emails are, and then actually get their email and then send out the message. So your subject line could be, I don't know, anything in the subject line. So have you seen this? And that's going to invoke curiosity. And then your content, it'll just be your message that you're sending out. So it could just be something, you only want to keep it like 3 sentences max, because these companies don't have a lot of time to be reading your emails. So you could just start off with something really small like, hey, are you guys a dentist? Just to get them to reply, and then pitch your offer. And you could just split test it. So you could have like 50 emails you send out, or hey, you guys are a dentist, just something really short to get them to reply. And then you could send out another 50 and literally just go straight in for your pitch of what you offer. So it's literally just that simple. So I hope you got value from this video today, and I'll see you in the next one.